Keith, Mr. Hogan, thank you. He's got a 4790K. He's got a 980 Ti, 16 gigs. He bought a 10700 with a H570, 32 gigs of RAM. He plays Warzone, eventually Halo Infinite, Battlefield 2042, 1080p, 144 Hz, 6700X or a 6800 or a 6800 XT.
Oh, he's not going to like me at all.
No. All right, we need to educate Keith. Keith, I guess we're taking a walk. Grab some water because we're going for a walk.
There's nothing wrong with those choices.
Why the H570?
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below.
I guess if he's playing 10700, but if he's playing, those are AAA games.
Yeah.
I guess 1080p, 144 Hz.
The H570, it really... For 32 gigs of RAM and those kind of video cards, it should be a Z590 or a Z490. You should be on a Z board. Even if you have a non-K chip, you should be on a Z board.
That's what I was thinking.
But he already bought it. If it's already built, then whatever.
You don't see the H very often, that's all.
No, you don't. There's nothing wrong with H boards, but if you're building a machine with 32 gigs of RAM, and I mean, he's looking at spending over $1,000 on a graphics card, put a Z board in there. Mm-hmm. The features are better. The power delivery is better. The future upgrade possibilities are better. They're better built. They have more USB ports. They have more PCI Express lanes. They have more.
More is better.
Do you know what his mistake is? He mentioned Battlefield 2042.
He did. That's a AAA game.
No, yeah, but those are very nice video cards. I mean, the RX 6800 XT is a beast of a graphics card. And frankly, for 1080p gaming, even at 144 Hz, is honestly maybe overkill. The 6700 XT is probably all he needs, and those are quite a bit cheaper. Right now, you can find those for about $800 in the US, whereas the 6900 XTs are like $1,300. I mean, that is a $500 difference. However, 16 gigs of VRAM versus 12.
That's true.
And a 6800 XT will way outlast a 6700 XT.
Well, especially if he wants to do Warzone.
But I wouldn't buy either one of them. Because Battlefield 2042, which he specifically mentioned,
ray tracing,
is an NVIDIA optimized title. Go buy a 3070 Ti. It is not as fast as a 6800 XT. But
he's got a 10700. He's got Intel, so yeah.
It is not as fast, but by the time you turn DLSS on, by the time you turn the ray tracing on, it will be. If you can swing it, I'd say get a 3080 Ti, but those are just so expensive. It's hard to make that argument.
It is.
In terms of pure raster performance, the 6800 XT will kick the 3070 Ti's butt. But the minute you use ray tracing, the minute you play NVIDIA optimized titles, the minute you turn on DLSS, I think let me put it this way. The 6000 series is nice. I have had way fewer issues with them than I did with RDNA 1. NVIDIA's feature and you know, if he had not mentioned Battlefield 2042, I would have been less inclined to say that.
Yeah.
But that is one of NVIDIA's Halo titles.
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below. $15 gets you a Windows 10 Professional OEM key that is a real product key, activates directly with Microsoft, use it forever as it links to your Microsoft account and it works through reinstalls. Get a full copy of Office 2019 Professional Plus for about $50 that redeems at setup.office.com using your Microsoft account. It also works forever through reinstalls. We have been using URCD keys for almost 3 years now and recommend you do so as well.